Oh, hi, Shireen. I thought I'd just get this done so that you can see what I'm doing to see if there's anything that you're doing that's different. I'm gonna leave the sesame seeds out this particular time. So the recipe calls for 5 teaspoons of psyllium husk powder. And I don't know whether that's something that, it looks like that. It's very, very fine. So I don't know whether that's what you are not doing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, it was less than 5. So I'm going to do that. Okay, and I'm going to add 1 1/4 cups of almond flour. It's very fine again. So 1 cup. And another one. Good. Then I'm going to put the baking powder. Okay, I'm going to put the baking powder in.
How much? How much was that?
It's on the recipe. I can't remember. I'm just doing that offhand.
Okay.
Baking powder. And 1 teaspoon of sea salt. That's there. So that's all the dry ingredients. So where is her fork? So I usually mix all the dry ingredients together. First, I'll leave a well in the middle there. Then I'm going to crack the eggs and just put the egg white in there and get rid of, I'll save those egg yolks for something else, so we'll put that in there. Actually, let me just go get a bowl.
Martha Stewart, he ain't, Shireen.
Eh?
Martha Stewart would never have a pause like that.
Okay, again, separate the whites. Can make mayonnaise out of that.
Or scrambled eggs or something tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. I can't remember. I think it's 2 teaspoons of this apple cider vinegar.
Alan, you should be doing the recipe. Oh, it's on the phone here, isn't it?
Yeah, sometimes I can't do it. I do this almost from memory now. Okay. And then they want that, and then want 1 cup of water. So I'm going to grab that cup of hot water.
Have you boiled it already?
Yeah, I boiled it already. And I add that to the wet ingredients there. Give that a quick stir. And then add it gradually to the mix. And give it a good mix. I'll bring it over here so you can see the consistency. They said to, so almost, I don't know, I always think of Play-Doh. They say don't over mix, but I like to get that. I've just realised I don't have a breadboard. I wonder if she's got a breadboard here, or a hard board. Yep. Okay, so there's the consistency that I normally have it at. Mixing really well. I put the baking powder in as well. Okay. Then I also have to moisten my hands to pull it out.
Should I be?
Actually put it onto a breadboard. Like that. That can go in there now.
I'm trying to zoom in a bit. Yeah.
Huh?
I'm trying to zoom in a bit
Yeah.
because I'm.
Okay. Now, a knife.
The phone's almost out of battery, so we're plugged in over here, Shireen.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right, so what I'm going to do is I have been making larger ones. It's exactly the same, but we've been having like they're 2 points each if you do 6 of them.
Yeah.
But for the same mixture, you can have 4, and they're 3 points each. And we're using the bigger ones for sandwiches, basically.
Yeah.
So what I do is I just get a baking top, just lightly spray it so it doesn't stick with pan.
Yeah.
And then this is where you need to moisten your hands, take one of them. And this is the key for me. When I first started, I had a lot of air, so I'm really pushing it together to get rid of the air. And then I shape the roll into, if you're doing 6, do 6 round ones. I make them slightly longer. Wet in your hands, just make sure it sticks. So again, pressing everything.
And that gets rid of the air, you said?
Get rid of the air, I found that out, yeah. Then smooth it over into the shape you want. Again, they'd be round if you are doing that one. And 2. Again, really press hard. If you're doing those sesame seeds, you just add them to the
Dry.
ingredients before you mix them. Smooth it out there. And do the last one. Press them together and put them the shape you want. If there's any holes, I give them a good squeeze. There's a bit of a hole in there. Smoothing it out into the area that I want. Okay. All right.
And then what? Now you just put them in the oven?
I think the oven's ready at 350. No, it's not. I don't know how. I haven't started the oven, but basically that's what they look like.
Wait, you moved. Okay, yeah.
Oh, sorry. That's what they look like when they're ready to go in the oven, and it goes right on the bottom rung of the oven, bottom shelf. And I have been doing it for 40 minutes, and they've been well cooked. They're not overly brown, but they're cooked all the way through and they're good bread texture.
Yeah, they are.
So when they come out, I will take a photograph of them and show them to you, okay? Right. Okay, thanks, Mark.
Say goodbye.
Bye.